Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. That if you've ever dreamed of a home that is sustainable, affordable, and incredibly stylish, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the world of single shipping container homes. Whether you are looking for a backyard studio, a weekend getaway, or a minimalist permanent residence, these steel structures offer endless possibilities. We're going to explore what they are, why they're taking the world by storm, and how you can make one look absolutely breathtaking. That a single shipping container home is a residential structure created using one standard steel shipping container, typically in 20-foot or 40-foot lengths. Originally designed to carry cargo across oceans, these intermodal containers are repurposed as the primary structural shell for a living space. Because they are built to withstand harsh maritime environments, they are incredibly durable and weather-resistant. A single container design focuses on maximizing the utility of a narrow, rectangular footprint, proving that you don't need thousands of square feet to create a functional and beautiful sanctuary. The benefits of choosing a single shipping container home are numerous, starting with affordability and speed of construction. Since the main structure is already built, you save significantly on traditional framing costs and labor time. A container home can often be move-in ready in a fraction of the time it takes to build a conventional house. Furthermore, they are a champion of sustainable living, as repurposing a used container prevents tons of steel from being melted down or abandoned. Their modular nature also makes them incredibly portable. If you decide to move, your home can literally be loaded onto a truck and taken with you. Finally, their inherent strength makes them resistant to fire, termites, and extreme weather, providing a level of security that is hard to match in traditional wood-framed tiny homes. Decorating the exterior of a shipping container home is all about balancing the industrial cool of the steel with organic, warm elements. One of the most effective ways to elevate the look is through the use of high-quality cladding or siding. Adding cedar planks or reclaimed wood accents can instantly soften the metal's hard edges and help the home blend into its natural surroundings. Lighting plays a massive role as well. Installing warm LED sconces or Edison-style string lights along the roofline creates an inviting ambience at night. Don't forget the power of large glass, sliding doors, and floor-to-ceiling windows. These not only break up the monotonous metal walls, but also make the interior feel much larger by connecting it to the outside. Lastly, integrating a custom deck or a rooftop garden can transform the container from a box into a multi-dimensional architectural masterpiece. When it comes to style, single shipping container homes are surprisingly versatile, ranging from industrial chic to modern Scandi. The industrial style leans into the container's origins, using dark matte paints, exposed bolts, and metal accents to celebrate its rugged history. If you prefer something more serene, the Scandinavian style utilizes white interiors, light wood finishes, and minimalist landscaping to create a bright, airy feel that defies the narrow space. For those who want to blend in with nature, the rustic cabin style uses dark green or black exteriors paired with heavy wood decking and stone pathways. Finally, the ultra-modern style focuses on sharp lines, bold color blocking like bright yellows or oranges, and cantilevered roofs to create a high-end, futuristic look that stands out as a piece of functional art. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best single shipping container home ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. 1. The Lakeside Zen Retreat. This design features a sleek black 40-foot container with massive floor-to-ceiling glass walls that reflect the surrounding water. The wooden deck extends directly over a koi pond, creating a seamless transition between the modern interior and the peaceful aquatic environment. 2. The Luxury Minimalist Pod. A stunning example of high-end tiny living. This container uses rich wood paneling on the exterior to hide its industrial roots. It features a sunken pool integrated directly into the decking, proving that even a single container can offer 5-star resort amenities. 3. The Industrial Garden Studio. Dressed in a vibrant sunset orange, this container serves as the perfect creative workspace or guest house. The exterior is decorated with hanging vertical planters and warm string lights, making the gravel courtyard feel like a cozy, urban oasis. 4. The Forest Sanctuary. Painted in a deep forest green, this container home vanishes into the surrounding pines. It features a large raised wooden deck that doubles the living space, allowing the inhabitants to enjoy the fresh air under the canopy of the trees. 5. The Elevated Outlook. This gray 40-foot container is raised on a steel frame, creating a sheltered patio area underneath. The elevated position offers a spectacular view of the countryside, while the wraparound wooden staircase adds architectural depth and a touch of luxury. 6. The Modern Charcoal Cabin. A beautiful take on the Scandi industrial look. This home uses black corrugated metal paired with light-toned wooden decks. The integrated planter boxes at the base of the deck allow for a private herb garden, adding life and color to the dark facade. 7. The Sunset Glass House. This design maximizes natural light with a massive glass frontage that takes up nearly an entire side of the container. The bright orange interior accents glow against the evening sky, highlighting a spacious open-plan kitchen and living area. 8. The Classic White Farmhouse. Who says containers can't be traditional? This white-painted container features a pitched roof addition and black-framed windows, giving it a modern farmhouse aesthetic that looks perfectly at home in a grassy meadow. 9. The Rustic Wood-Trimmed Escape. By adding orange-tinted wood frames around the windows and doors, this dark gray container achieves a warm, inviting look. The long, narrow deck is perfect for potted plants, creating a welcoming entrance for a weekend cabin. 10. The Geometric Pop Art Home. This bold design uses a white, yellow, and blue color palette to create a striking visual statement. With a cantilevered roof for shade and a patterned outdoor rug, this container home feels like a trendy boutique hotel tucked away in a private backyard. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the incredible world of single shipping container homes. It's truly inspiring to see how a simple steel box can be transformed into a cozy, sustainable, and high-end living space with just a bit of creativity and design. Whether you're looking to save money, live more sustainably, or just want a unique space to call your own, container living offers a path to freedom that traditional housing often can't match. If you enjoyed this video and found these designs as inspiring as we did, please hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more home inspiration. Which of the 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on container living. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest in modern home design.